I'll start with my topic with a amazing question. अच्छा, what is leadership? Give me one word answer. Leadership का मतलब क्या है? एक word. कौन दे?
Just it's a title.
Title, okay.
To lead a team.
Pardon? Build a team, okay.
Front and be example for others.
Be example.
So I guess leadership is like a caretaker.
Caretaker. People started following. Okay. So all of you are right. And John C. Maxwell says in his one of the leadership book, आपके सारे examples को मैं मिला के अगर बोलूं, leadership is nothing but influence. Simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. Influence. Now, influence के भी acronym है which will cover all of your points which you just covered. But my topic is not just influence. My topic is the levels of leadership. And the levels of leadership, something like that. People, whoever you talk to, they will respond to you based on the level of leadership you are in with them. Sometimes if you imagine you are in book club right now, many people are new right now. अगर आप बहुत नए हो इस book club में, बहुत लोग को मैं unknown होऊंगा. People will be unknown to me. People will be unknown to Karthik Sana. People will be unknown to Bhushan. People will be unknown to Vijay also. So for you, in this PIM, we are positional leader. If I am a coach at PIM, हाँ किरण को एक बंदा है बस, हाँ ठीक है थोड़ा सा ठीक ठाक बोल लेता है. That's it. That is the level of influence I will have on you as a position. And the next level of leadership comes is the permission level leadership. So the 5 level of leadership, the first one is position. Position comes with rights. So one example I give you, PIM example. Other example is that if your mom and dad are there, the moment you're born in your family, automatically dad becomes father. So father becomes a position right now. So it starts with position. You go to your corporate office, you take up a new job. Maybe you're a software engineer. Now when you maybe crack a good interview in some good company, you become a senior software engineer. You get a title, and that title is a position. You go with the title thinking that you have a potential of leadership, because when you're offered a job offer in your company, the company thinks that your potential is to fulfill that particular title at least. So you're given a position, but that is not it starts with. It just starts with it, but it doesn't end with it. And that is the worst feeling, is that it is always wonderful place to start, but not a wonderful place to stay. आप position से start तो करते हो, but आप stay नहीं करोगे. And this is where I give everyone example. My favorite example is Bahubali. सबने movie देखा ही होगा, बाहुबली का movie. He comes with a position title कि वो बंदा already royal family से पैदा होता है. He gets the title of a leader. He gets the title of a king. But it didn't stop. वो रुकता नहीं उस title को lead करता है. So that is where the next level of leadership comes, is permission level leadership. So first is the rights. First is the position level leadership. Next is the permission level leadership. Which is where the key essential of leadership comes, is relationship. Now, if people don't like you, trust me, people won't like your idea. You can bring n number of ideas into your table, but अगर कोई भी बंदा आपको पसंद नहीं करता है, तो आपके idea को भी पसंद नहीं करेगा. Now, and if you want to become a charismatic person, you need to know how to build relationship with people, because that is where the next level of empathetic listening comes into the picture. हम लोग बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. We learn skills of being a good listener. We learn skill of being a good, maybe good communicator, being an effective communicator. Where all these things comes, this position leadership, position के बाद जो permission leadership में आता है, this is when the key essential part comes into the picture. In your corporate, I'll tell you, there are multiple examples which Vijay also gives in a PM session. बहुत बार लोगों को problem रहता है लोगों से काम करवाने का ऑफिस में. Sometimes you feel so scared to tell few things about your boss कि यार ये काम हो नहीं पाएगा, and you feel alone in your maybe corporate life, or maybe if you have a team, people don't be transparent with you. लोग आपसे transparent नहीं होते. They are scared and they just do the work because you are higher rank in terms of your position in the corporate. You know what is missing there? The only thread is missing is relationship. And building relationship is the first key factor if you want to bring best out of people. Because अगर एक बार relationship build हो जाता है, and if you gain the trust from people, लोग आपके लिए काम करेंगे, company के लिए काम नहीं करते. Today in my corporate also there's a guy called Balakrishna. I really admire his thought process and the guy. He's almost similar age group to me, but in the company he's been maybe 2 years senior to me in the company, and he works on the ground level. जब भी कोई नया बंदा आता है उससे रिलेशनशिप बनाता है, just like a new friend. Just कोई जैसे अगर आप किसी से बाहर भी मिलते हो तो you build relationship. Exactly like that he build relationship. Pretty transparent in his talk, and then while building his relationship, he shows the work and he tells कि ऐसा करना है. And also sometimes when people are stuck, he also helps them and gives the recognition to other people. And that is the power of leader, right? If you help people to grow, they will do anything for you, and that is amazing thing which I have noticed also in the real life. So this is where the permission level of leadership comes into picture. Again, जब अगर बाहुबली का मूवी आप देख लो, उसमें भी क्या करता है बंदा, पहले पोजीशन मिलता है, उसके बाद उसके जो एटीट्यूड से वो लोगों का दिल जीतता है. He fights the battle with people. He lives for the people. When the title also goes off, still he works with people in the ground level, and people makes him a leader rather than he gets a position out of it. And that is amazing feeling if you can really create that feeling. So position is a start. If you become an IS officer, that is a start, very good start, because you have a potential to be a good leader. But if you don't follow the next level of leadership, then you will be stuck. You can never go up. And another beautiful part of this or this 5 levels of leadership is that every level will be independent of everyone. For example, if I am communicating with Bhushan, my level of leadership with Bhushan will be different than my level of leadership with Rohit Sharma. Why? Because Bhushan को मैं 2 साल से जानता हूँ, Bhushan के साथ मेरी अच्छी bonding भी बन चुकी है. Bhushan has seen me working so hard. Bhushan has seen me producing results as well, and Bhushan and I have worked together also, and that is why the bonding is so high. Similarly, Kartik Sahnar, similarly Rohit, similarly Dilip Chachu, anyone. So people who are new right now with me, maybe for you, I may be just a position ki acha Kiran talks well. Maybe you'll just have a unemotional feeling for me. But if I start spending time with you, if I start understanding you, if you and I become a good friend, then the heart connects. And when the synergy happens, then the growth will be in multiplier. And that is where the beauty is that the 5 levels of leadership is always independent of people. I may be at level 3 with Bhushan, I may be level 0 with Saurabh, I may be level 2 with Kartik, I may be level 4 with Dilip Chachu, I may be in any level. And the best part is that while you climb the level of leader, you will gain the level 1 and then you'll go to level 2. ऐसा directly level 2 में jump नहीं करने वाले हो. If you think you can directly jump with level 2, हो नहीं सकता. Practically हो नहीं सकता. You will come with level 1 and then you go to level 2 and level 3. And level 3 is pretty interesting because this is something is so difficult to follow, because if you can do that, then most corporate में जो भी लोग होते हैं, they really follow the level 3 leadership is called production. If you're not producing results, if you're not bringing results, if you're not leading by example, if I'm a developer, if let's say if I'm a senior software developer or lead developer of a tech lead, अगर मैं लोगों की problem solve नहीं कर पाऊंगा उनके आमने सामने में, they won't take me as a leader. Maybe title में they will take it, but it doesn't matter. Imagine a CTO is there, but CTO is not spending time with you solving your problem, then his level of leadership with you will be very, very minimal. You will think that he's a CTO, but for you it doesn't matter much. And people quit people don't quit companies. And that is where this leadership comes into the picture. I wanted to cover these 3 levels of leadership. So one was we covered was position, which is pretty simple. It could be everywhere in your life. In family, your children treats you as a position initially, but if you start producing, your children will take you as a role model also. So you become a producer as well. Second is permission. Permission is all about relationship. If you build relationship, then you can pass strong messages. आप किसी का ego hurt नहीं कर सकते, but if people feel that you care about them, they will take the strong messages positively. And finally is production, because if production level leadership, if you don't produce results, then you will be limited. आपको लोग lightly लेने लग जाएंगे, आपको लगेगा ये तो बंदा chill है, बात कर लेंगे, then side हो जाएंगे. And that is where if you produce results, then people will start respecting you of results and they'll start following you as well.